Hello. Today we are going to make a video demonstration for spectrophotometer. We have DS-200 series. The specific model number is DS-220. So we are going to make a video with these two samples. Okay. So these samples are the cap of PET bottle. Okay. So we are making this video. So this is our instrument. It has been sealed. So we are opening it. So as you can see, we have opened it. Okay. So this instrument has calibration certificate. Okay. It is in this envelope. I'll show you later. So these are the accessories, the main instrument, the black calibration cavity, and this is the base. This base. This is USB wire. Okay, this instrument has Bluetooth connectivity and as well as camera facility also. So this instrument has apertures of multiple apertures, like this is 6 mm aperture, this is 3 mm aperture, this is 11 mm round. Okay, this is 6 mm round, 3 mm round. Okay, and by default this instrument has attached with 11 mm aperture. Okay, so what we do, we will just fix this dock. Okay, so this is magnet, it has been fixed, so it will make heavy. Okay, so if you see, this instrument base has the calibration values. Okay, 98.79 for L, A minus 0.24, B 0.200. Okay, SCI D65 oblique 10 degree with measurement aperture of 11 mm, which is medium aperture. So this is very light. So what we do, this is heavy base. So and it is magnetic. So our instrument dock will be connected like this. So it is bit heavy and it will be sturdy to table. We can peel out this plastic and it will fixed on the glass table. Okay, this is the dock. It is magnetic. See. Okay, we are going to on this. This is the back button. We pressed on. This is the new instrument asking for the language selection. We select English. Okay, so it is asking for the calibration. Automatically it will did the calibration of white. Okay, it is having the aperture switch MS, so it is on M. Now it is asking for calibration of black. Okay, so what we do, as shown in graffiti, we have the black cavity aperture for black calibration. So we'll just do as shown in graffiti. So I'll just keep for back calibration and press the back button as mentioned. So I am pressing it, the back button. So it is calibrating. It has been calibrated. Okay. So after doing this, completing this calibration, what we do, we'll see and check whether the calibration is done or not. Okay. So keeping it in black, I'll just click the button. It is showing 0. Why it is showing 0? Okay, because it has 0 air and there is no reflection. So calibration is do like 0 or high reflect. So high reflection is about 100, max 100 L value. So our tile value is approximate 98 point something. So I'll just make readings. Okay, after doing calibration, these are our readings. So we are trying to match this reading with calibration tile value. Okay, so I'll just remove and show you the tile values. So if you see, the tile values are 98.78, 98.79, minus 0.23, minus 0.24 and 0.20. So these are the right values according to the instrument calibration or the repeatability value or reproducibility value, it is very good. Okay, so it seems good, instrument is ready to use. Now what we do, we'll just keep aside this all samples. Okay, so now I'll show you some settings or readings. Okay, so what we do first, we'll just go back. This is the back button. I'll go back. Okay, these are the three main screen: measure, data and setting. So I'll go to setting. In setting there is again measure button. So according to your requirement you can set the parameters, like LAB is here, LCH is there, LAB Hunter is there, LAB CI LUV is there. Okay, so according to this you can select the parameters. XYZ is there, YXY, RGB, metamerism, okay, density, Munsell, tint, yellowness, blackness, strength, whiteness. So these are all parameters we do have in this instrument. Okay, but according to your use you can select the parameter and it will display on your screen. Okay, so LAB, LCH, Hunter, LUV, XYZ, YXY, RGB, metamerism, opacity, density A, T, E, M. Okay, so I'll start with LAB. I'll show you the LAB's values. Okay, go to measure, back. So here is the parameters called average, SCI, SCE modes. So SCI is the fixed mode. It is not having SCE mode. USB mode, aperture calibration time, UV set on or off. Okay, so these are the basic parameters which instrument have. If you want to set the light, so there is a light parameter, so you can select any light: A, C, D50, D55, D65, D75, F12, F12, then CWF, U30, or any kind of LED lights, TL84 lights. So all lights are here. So currently we have selected the D65 only. So now we are going to test it. Now we are taking this red cap, so I'll just keep it on red cap. If you see, I have placed here, right? So now the instrument has a camera feature. If you see, I'll click it. It is having a camera feature. By camera, see, you can see, I'll just show you the camera. So this is camera. Okay, this is thing, this is cap. So I'll just locate it properly. This is the camera feature. So by locating it, I can press a button and get reading. So these are my readings of the red cap. Okay, so now if I want to check the color difference, what I do, I'll just go to color difference, then again I press locate properly by camera. Camera is to just help to locate the instrument location, the application's location. So just reading it. So it is showing 0.04 pass. See. Now if you want to see the delta, the graph is here. You can select the reflections also. Now go to again LAB value. Okay. So these are the LAB parameters. If I want to check, go and check and set the other values, like other parameters. Say I am setting it to density T. Okay, so density is showing CMYK. See, it is showing you density. So again I click it, it will show me the density, then CMYK, then color difference. I go to color difference, then again color difference. So like this it will show you the density also. Again, if you want to see the Munsell parameter, I'll select Munsell, the current parameter, replace the default parameter. I'll set OK. Fine. So Munsell has been selected, and automatically according to Munsell the light and angle has been changed. Okay. So now go to back, go to measure. Now the Munsell is showing you the HCV value. So same as I tried with the green. Again look at it. See, the HCV value is there. I can again click LAB, color difference. Now I just locate it. See, click OK. Reading is there. It has been showing the delta. Now I go to LAB values. It will show me the delta. So according to this, the delta is 0.03. You can see, right? So this is how I can set different parameters and check the values of my any kind of substrate. In this video we have checked the plastic cap values. Okay, I am having two type of same color. So what I do, again I will go back to, I can check with this Munsell parameter, or I can go and change it to LAB. I'll check with LAB. Again go, I can go to back, then measure. Okay, I need to change the parameter for delta D65. It is now C and 2 degree because of Munsell. So I will go to here, change the parameter to 10 degree, change the parameter of light to D65. Okay, so now the LAB. So what I do, I'll just compare between these two bottle caps. So I'll just make this as, see the camera I selected. So I'll make it standard. Okay, and keep it, put it on the other one. The difference. Again I select camera. Seems okay. The reading is 1.39. Pass. Why it shows pass? Because I kept a tolerance value of 2 instead of 1. That's why it is showing. So again I go to measure, I go to tolerance, and I changed it from 2 to 1. I'll make it 1 for all. Okay, this is how I can use this instrument. And apart from this instrument can be connected with mobile like Apple or Android, both devices. This device can connect with computer also. Okay, so if I now checked it, it is showing fake. Understood? So this is how I can check the color values. If you see the next thing, I am trying to make a video, but I'll suggesting you, if you want to see the software properly, you need to buy the instrument and check yourself, or we can arrange the team meets and then I will show you the readings. So I'll just go to color QC. This is having an app of color QC. So I'll go to color QC. Okay, I just double click it, open it, trying to open it. So it is being opened. Okay, so now if you see, there is the app is open, but it is showing no instrument is connected. So what I do, I'll just go to instrument, main screen, setting, then power, and I'll make the Bluetooth on. So now I'll make Bluetooth on. Okay, now I'll go to settings, connecting instruments, okay, Bluetooth. My laptop has Bluetooth, so I'll just make refresh. So my instrument serial number will show, like my instrument has a serial number of C1250, if you see. So this is the same serial number of my instrument. I know. If you want to see, I'll just show you the instrument serial number. See, CMDFC1250, CMDFC1250. So instrument has been found. So now what we'll do, we'll just make connect. So once it will be connected, it will show you the instrument is connected. It will asking you for calibration, but we already did the calibration. I will just skip, and it will show you the information of the instrument. Okay. Now for using it, it will show the standard data, sample data, then here color judgment, simulation, color difference chart, in color coordinate charts, everything. So what I do, I'll just go here and go to setting, then I'll just adjust the display parameters. Okay, so this display parameter already here, right, like LABCH, LABC, right? So I added all these parameters. Apart from this, I will add the parameters of the customer shown me the Munsell thing, or the CMYK thing, right? So what I do, I'll just go and select the parameters. See the specs value, then go to here, then I'll add Munsell. So all Munsell I'll add. Okay, so Munsell comes, it has been added here. See, Munsell added here. Then I'll add the delta of Munsell. Right? So I'll add it, the delta of Munsell. It came here. Then again the next parameters are the density. I'll check. Color density. So density is here. See, CMYK. So according to my requirement, I'll select the density parameter also. So according to this T density, okay, I'll check with CMY, okay, and add, and then K is constant, universal. So add it. So these are here. Now go to color difference, and again I select T difference, right, and then difference of K. So this is how I had add all the parameters. Okay, now I'll just save it. Okay, then tolerance setting. In tolerance setting, I have selected delta E, and one is already there. Okay, measurement instrument is there. Okay, and then I'll just save and close. So all parameters are there already saved, and if you see, all parameter came here: light source, test mode, LAB, Munsell, density, all parameters comes here, and the delta also. So now if I try to measure it, I'll go click over here, so it will measure again. I kept here, see, and I'll try to see, it is already I fixed or placed on the cap, and I try to make readings, test target. So average it is asking, so I'll make average. See the repeatability, I make 3 averages, then save, then reading has come. So this is the reading LABCH, Munsell, density, all readings has come, right? The color simulation is there, right? The color coordinates is there. Okay. Now what I do, I'll just change it to the different cap. Kept here, right? Now test sample. Again it will ask average, measuring 1. You can set it to single reading also. There is no problem. Okay, saved it. So now it has been showing me the fail because I kept the tolerance of 1 and it came 1.40. So this is how we can check. See, if you see, the graph has come. The tolerance reading is here. See, the simulation is here. You can check. So what is the problem of the difference is 1.30. It is showing more red than green, right? You can simulate the coordinates. See, the difference has come, right? You can see the other parameter. See, the difference has come. Lightness has increased. You can see the XY coordinate, right? So this is how you can select the multiple results, and you can select all parameters as you desired and check the print report, and you can view the report also like this. Okay. So this is how you can check and use the instrument, any spectrophotometer or any spectral colorimeter like DS-200 or any other model. Okay. So I have tried to show you these readings in short way. Okay. If you like this is the instrument, if you want to order it, or if you want to ask more queries or inquiry about it, please do contact with our HPFS Instruments. This is our website, HPFS Instruments India LLP. You can go and visit our website. You can call us, you can contact us on this given site. So this is our website, this is our product. You can contact us on this given numbers. Okay, thank you for watching this video.